Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, first time we have Stromae here on this channel, and the song called L'Enfer. Okay, so this is the French artist here, and a cool song from him about bad and tough thoughts, I believe here. So, this is a song which we will not use any capo for, and we will go from playing 4 chords with the picking pattern to use some kind of a strumming pattern. It's up to you where you want to use that one. I will explain pretty soon, but first the chords. We have the D minor with A in the bass, so that one will be like this. Okay, so it's open A, then open D, second G, third B, and first E. Right. Then we have the A sharp 6. Okay. So that will be like this. So first on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord will be G minor, but with an E in the bass. So that is second D, third G, third B, and third E. And finally, we have an A. So open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right. So the verse here, we will play strictly this melody here that I showed you in the intro. And it will be based upon these 4 chords in that order: the D minor, the A sharp, the G minor, and the A. So you're gonna alternate the bass string here, the bass note, with the top strings down here. Okay, so we will have a similar pattern, just different chords. So the D minor and A starts like this. So what you do there, you play the open A string as the bass, and you alternate that with the strings G, B, and E as they are from the D minor chord. So that means the second G string, the third B string, and the first E string. So open A, and these 3 strings together, and you do that for 2 times. So okay, then we shift to the A sharp chord here, and you do the same pattern, just different notes. So you play the first fret A string, and you alternate that with the strings G, B, and E as they are from the chord, which is the open E, open G, third B, and third E. 2 times. Then we go to the G minor chord. What I do there from that chord, I will just add my middle finger on the 3rd fret G string, and I put my index finger on the 2nd fret D string. So pretty great and simple transition there. Okay, so then you play the same pattern. Now instead you have the 2nd fret D string as the bass, and the same strings as the alternating here. So 3rd fret G, 3rd fret B, and 3rd fret E. 2 times. And finally the A, you will go back to the open A as a bass, and you alternate that with the 2nd fret G, 2nd fret B, and open E together 2 times. So that is the pattern. Let's go through it very slow. So let's go. Sorry for bad noise there on the G minor. Anyway, I think you understand it. So that is the picking. Now you could use a strumming pattern when it comes to the chorus, because this song goes verse and chorus back and forth like this. So if you choose to play the strumming, it will be like I'm gonna show you right now. Otherwise, you can just continue with the melody through the entire song, because the melody is there in the background, even in the chorus. So you can go with that through the entire song. But if you choose to play the strumming, you will of course use the same chords, and you will think here as a pair of chords. So we will look at the transition here from the D minor to the A sharp, and the strumming will be like this. And the same strumming will be for the G minor to the A. So, okay. So if we look at the first two chords, the D minor to A sharp, it will be on the D minor, down, up, clap only. So down, up, clap. And immediately after the clap, you shift to the A sharp. So like this, okay? And for the A sharp, you're gonna play down, up, clap, down. Okay? Down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down. Again, D minor, down, up, clap, and shift to A sharp, down, up, clap, down. And then you play the same for the G minor to A, so down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down. So slowly, a couple of rounds of these chords will be like this. Right, so like I said, in the verse you play the melody, you can continue to play that through the entire song, or you can choose to play the strumming when the chorus comes. And that is pretty much it when it comes for this song from Stromae. So good luck with this one, guys. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and play tuned.